because this lace is super clean and flat. Glueless, baby, glueless. So gorgeous, look at that. Very pretty, you guys can see that length, look at that, look at that. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. All right, y'all, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Wiggins Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So today we have a bust down middle part 36-inch long unit, guys. This unit is a 13x4 wig cap construction, guys. This unit comes perfectly done for you. It's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and everything. It is a large cap construction. You guys can see this 13x4 is nice and wide. Now they did go ahead and put the combs in there, and they did go ahead and add an adjustable strap to this unit. So today's hair video is going to be simple. I am going to go ahead and spray this unit down just because of the 13x4. I might add some tape, I might not add some tape, but we'll kind of see how it goes along. Obviously, I'm going to have to go ahead and customize the ear tabs on this one, so I'll show you guys everything on camera. Keep it simple. We're going to go ahead and straighten it out. Just kind of emphasize the straightening out. And that's about it for today's hair video. I don't think I'm going to do baby hairs, but never quote me on it. Let's just wait and see. I did go ahead and put it on ahead of time just to kind of see what it's giving, and it's giving scalp honey. Like, they did a really good job with this. Like, look at this lace. Like, look at how they tweeze this, look at how they bleach it. Very pretty. So I'm already excited because it's gonna be one of those easy type of hair videos today, guys. So as usual, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inner cap of this unit with my tinting melting spray. My tinting spray. And then I'm gonna pop this unit off and put this one on. So like, the unit is gorgeous, guys. Like, look at this. And I adjusted the hooks in the back, but not too deep. It's still very flat in the back. And I put the adjustable strap all the way through. The unit is so secure. Like, look at the side. I literally have to just cut this to make it fit around my ear, and then we'll kind of see the results of it. But I don't even think I'm gonna do it. I might actually wear this wig on. It's so glueless. Like, it's so secure on my head. Like, I feel like even on a hot trip, you straighten this bad boy out and you're good to go. Like, you don't gotta glue this wig down. Like, baby hairs are discretionary, like, if you want to, but if you want like and I know my middle part's never be middle parting, and y'all always be trying to come for me, but I do my best. But do you guys not see this clean lace? Like, what is going on right here? Like, what? Like, let me show you guys a link. Hopefully my robe is appropriately in place while I stand up. But look at that 36-inch bust down. Look at how long this unit is. Obviously some parts are kind of like a little bit shorter, especially in the frontal part, like right here. But I like that anyways. It just gives it, you know, it looks better, especially if you want to deep wave this hair or something like that. But guys, look at this long wig. Look at this. Pull the hair back. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissors, and we're gonna go ahead and cut the ear tab section so this can fit nicely. So I want to kind of put it around my ear. I don't really measure this out, guys. I just kind of like go with the shape of my ear and then cut around it so that it can fit my head better. And the lace will end up at the end. You just kind of snip that part off. So there you go. I did it very simple this time. That was a quick AF. So you probably have like a little cut part right here, but I'll just cut that part off. But I just want it to be like that. You guys can see, I might not have to glue this unit down at all. I might just be able to just wear like this just because it's super glueless. Like, look at that. Like, come on. I probably have to maybe add some tape in the back just to keep it in place so it's not shifting. I think that's something I consider doing, like putting tape like in areas like on top of the wig cap so that the wig stays in place and it doesn't shift. So I might try to do that in today's video to show you guys. Maybe that'll work. Especially because, like, look at how pretty this is. I don't even want to touch it with baby hairs. Like, I want to wear the bust down middle part and that's it. Like, we don't need all the baby hairs. And I feel like when you do baby hairs in hot heat, it just, you know, like it has to be a certain way, and like the heat will mess it up. So I just don't bother. So again, I'm just riding on the back of my hair on the wig. So it always feels like it's such a big piece when you cut out, but then when you try to fit it down, you're like, oh my god, it fits so well. So there you go on both sides. Look at that, guys. Very flat, and it lays nicely. Look at that. On both sides, lays nicely. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off the camera, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can place some tape on the cap and then put the wig down just so that we can just lay it like that. So, you know, I'm not good at cutting the lace on camera, so I'll be back. Alright guys, so I cut off the lace. You guys can see the wig looks very nice. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my hot comb just to kind of get this middle part a little bit more laid. This is a very easy install to get today, guys. I love how the wig game is just turning and changing and just making everything so simple. So we're not gonna do that much. Now, as you guys can see, for the ear tab section, I have like a little open area here where it's just trying to lift. So what I'm gonna do on the air tabs is spray the lace itself with some spritz and let that dry just on the lace itself, just so that it gets tacky. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray each point on the lace itself. And obviously this is a glueless unit. Like, I'm actually shocked. Like, I'm not trying to come for Wiggins because they definitely did their big one, but I'm actually really surprised. This is like the first 13x4 that I've seen. Well, as a matter of fact, that's a lie. The last hair video I did was actually sponsored by Wiggins Hair Company. I have a body wave wig, the one that I wear in the middle part style. I wear that wig all the time. It's the same cap construction that wig is glueless, so I can't even say that. Their wigs are their 13x4s are glueless. Like the wig is gonna lay. And that wig I have, guys, I wear that wig to this day. I get so many compliments on that hair, it's not even funny. So this unit is very pretty. Like I said, I just wanted to spray that little ear tab section so that it creates its own, see that? It creates its own like stickiness. And now what I'm gonna do is take my hot comb and just slide it on top of that part. Just to kind of like manipulate that hair to stay down in that position. So I don't know, I'm going back to spritz, guys. I feel like spritz is like the OG hair adhesive. You can use it to glue your wigs down. It just does such a good job. Since we're off of Even right now, they have other ones like Olive Oil has a really nice wig spray, but I can never get my hands on that wig spray. I look everywhere I cannot get my hands on it. So I'm going back to the oldie but goodie spritz. And spritz does the job. It does what you need to do. Obviously, I'm wearing this middle part, so I'm not gonna have my sides open. So look at that. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. I do like to spray a little spritz on the perimeter area just to kind of make sure that the flyaways and nothing falls towards the front. So then we have like a clean, natural middle part look. This is the final look of this unit. So I didn't end up using the tape on the cap, but what I would recommend, especially if you're going to like a tropical humid type of area, I'm in the tri-state area, guys, and it is super humid and hot out here. I don't know what's been going on, but it's been like in the 90s and 80 degrees, so definitely hot. What I would recommend is going ahead and using that tape and put it on your actual wig cap and then putting the wig down, just because y'all know sometimes these glueless wigs definitely like to slide back, and that is so embarrassing, guys. Definitely likes to slide back. So I don't think I'm gonna have that issue with this one. This one lands pretty well, does a good job. As you guys can see, the hair is very, very pretty, guys. Nice middle part, clean middle part. I feel like my braid pattern underneath is okay. Let me know if you guys see a little lump and dump, and even if you did, it don't even matter. It's still slate to the guys. So as you guys can see, I kept the hairline nice and clean, didn't add baby hairs, and you guys can see I did kind of play around to make sure that this ear tab section stayed down, and I think we're kind of successful with that. The unit looks really nice, guys. If you want to, only if you want to, I would recommend going and doing baby hairs, but I feel like baby hairs aren't necessary. I feel like the lace is very clean and HD, so you don't have to do that. But if you want to go ahead and do like a little swiggy, a little whoop-de-doo, a little haha, then go ahead. But for the preference of this video today, I don't think that's necessary for me. I think a nice clean middle part bust down is giving what it needs to give. And again, let me show you guys the length of this one. I did go ahead and change my outfit because I'm, you know, going away in a few days and I wanted to test out some looks. So this is the hair. Look at that. Silky. You guys will see this outfit again, but silky, straight, gorgeous. Look at that. Very pretty. You guys can see that length. Look at that length and that bounce. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. I will leave all the information down below. Shout out to Wiggins Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. Absolutely love this one. Like I said, I always feel like you need a nice bust down middle part unit for any type of season. This is 100% glueless, so say goodbye to all the glues, the sprays, and all that kind of stuff. You don't have to use it to adhere this unit down. This unit was very, very secure, guys. It comes with combs and everything, so it's pretty much ready to go, honey. Like, look at that lace. We ain't even bothered. No baby hairs, no nothing, no mess. Just straight to the point. Hope you guys are enjoying these talk through same day install videos. Kind of makes it easier for you guys, especially my beginner friendly girls out there that don't know how to install wigs and want to slay it. I got you. Very straight to the point, guys. So again, I will leave all the information down below, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.